Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here today.
It really is. How are you doing, David?
To be honest, I'm okay, but a little tired today.
Oh, no. Tired?
Yes, it's just been a busy week, a lot of work, a lot of things to do. Life feels a little fast right now.
I understand that feeling so well. When life gets busy or difficult, it can feel like chaos.
Yes, that's a great word, chaos. When everything is moving, confusing, stressful, and you don't know where to start.
Exactly. And you know what? I think that's a perfect topic for today. What to do when life is difficult.
Yes, how to find calm when everything around you feels stressful or hard.
I love that. It's so important. But before we start this big conversation, we have a small favor to ask.
We do. If you're listening right now and you enjoy our podcast, please take 1 second to click subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast and give this episode a thumbs up.
And if you can, share it with a friend or a family member. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much. All right, let's begin. Difficult times, chaos, stress. These things are part of life.
Yes, everyone has those hard days or even hard weeks when you feel sad, tired, or just not okay.
It's very important to remember you are not alone. Everyone feels like this sometimes.
So, Emily, when you feel like life is too much, what's the first thing you do?
Honestly, my first reaction is to stay in bed and hide under my blanket.
Me too, but that never really helps, does it?
No, it doesn't. So, what I try to do instead is to find 5 minutes to be quiet, to sit down and pray.
That's beautiful.
For me, prayer helps so much. I talk about my problems to God. It helps me feel not alone.
Yes, I completely understand that. Faith gives strength to keep going when things are hard.
Exactly. When I feel weak, my faith makes me strong again.
And it reminds you that hard times don't last forever.
That's right. There's a beautiful saying, sadness may last for the night, but joy comes in the morning.
Oh, yes. I love that one. It gives so much hope.
It does. It reminds us that bad feelings are temporary. They will pass, and a new day will come.
So true. We just need to hold on and wait for the morning.
David, people always say, be strong. But what does that really mean?
Good question. I don't think it means don't cry.
Me neither. Crying is okay.
Yes, sometimes it's good. It lets your feelings out.
Exactly. For me, being strong means just doing the next small thing.
The next small thing?
Yes, when life feels too big or chaotic, don't try to fix everything. Just do one small thing.
Like what?
For example, step 1, get out of bed.
Okay, good start.
Step 2, brush your teeth. Step 3, drink a glass of water.
Ah, very small, very simple.
Exactly. When you do one small thing, you already make progress.
Yes, you feel a little better, a little stronger, one step at a time. That's how we move forward, even when life feels impossible.
Something that always helps me is people.
Yes, family, friends, community, they are so important.
When I feel sad, I want to be alone, but that's actually the worst idea.
It is. We need to connect with people, not hide from them.
Exactly. Call a friend, talk to your parents, or meet someone for coffee.
Coffee always helps.
It really does. But more than that, talking helps. Just sharing your thoughts.
Even if you don't talk about the problem, you can talk about a movie or the weather or a funny memory.
Yes, sometimes you just need to laugh.
Oh, yes. Laughter is the best medicine. When you laugh with a friend, the world feels lighter.
So true. So don't face chaos alone. Find your people and find joy together. Speaking of joy, I love what you said earlier. Joy comes in the morning.
Yes. And I think we can also find joy in the small things.
Yes, that's something I always try to do. I call them small joys.
What's an example of a small joy?
Right now, my coffee.
Haha, good one.
Also, the sunshine today.
Yes. And for me, hearing a great song on the radio.
Music is so powerful. It can change your mood in 3 minutes.
Exactly. A happy song, a calm song, it can lift your heart.
When we find these small good things, our hearts remember that life is not all bad.
So true. Today, my small joys are this conversation, my coffee, and my dog wagging his tail when I came home.
Oh, that's a great one.
Okay, Emily, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Sometimes the difficult thing, the chaos, is learning English.
That is so true. Some days it feels impossible. Grammar is hard, words don't make sense, you make mistakes.
Yes, and you feel stuck. You think, I'm not improving.
And you want to give up.
Every learner feels that at some point. So, can we use our life tips to help with English learning?
I think we can. The first tip, have hope. Remember your why.
Yes. Why did you start learning English?
Maybe for a better job, to travel, or to talk to people around the world.
Or maybe to watch movies without subtitles.
Yes! So when studying feels hard, remember your reason.
Yes, your joy in the morning. The hard work today is for a happy result tomorrow.
Next, small steps. You can't learn English in one day.
No way.
So don't try. Just do one small thing every day.
Like learning one new word.
Or watching one short video.
Or studying for just 20 minutes instead of 3 hours.
Exactly. That's how real progress happens. Small step plus small step equals big result later.
And of course, don't learn alone.
Yes, join a study group, find a language partner, or even talk to friends in English.
It makes learning more fun and less stressful.
And you can laugh together when you make mistakes.
Yes, because mistakes are not the end of the world. They're part of learning.
So let's review. What can we do when life or English feels hard?
Number 1, have hope. Remember your why.
Number 2, have faith. Pray, breathe, or believe that things will get better.
Number 3, take small steps. Just do the next thing.
Number 4, talk to people. Don't be alone. Connect with others.
And number 5, find small joys. A cookie, a song, a conversation.
Yes, never forget the cookie.
Never.
These tips are not magic. They don't make all problems disappear.
But they help us live calmly in the middle of the chaos.
Yes, they remind us that hard times will pass and the morning will come.
And remember, the hard work today is for a happy result tomorrow.
That's right.
Wow, Emily, this conversation went by so fast.
It did. I feel better after talking about this.
Me too. I'm not so tired anymore.
Good. Well, that's all for today's episode.
Thank you all so much for listening.
Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Podcast and give this episode a like.
And please share it with someone who might need a little encouragement today.
We'd also love to hear from you.
Yes, please write in the comments. What is one thing you do when life is difficult? Or what is one small joy you found today?
Write your answer in English. It's great practice, and we love reading your stories.
Thank you again for listening.
Take care, everyone, and remember, the chaos will pass.
And joy will come in the morning.
Bye for now.